Hello everyone and welcome back to another TinkerCrate review video. Today we're reviewing the walking robot.
Walking robot? What? Let's see how we put this thing together. So here we are putting together the assembly, the first part, the motor, wrapping it up in its housing, its case.
And here we are putting tape on it so it doesn't unfold.
That's right, and getting the wires from the motor to stick out so we can connect it to the battery later. Now here's where we start putting the gears together, connecting the motor gears outside the box so that they can connect to the robot parts.
And make it turn.
And make it turn, that's right. That's the battery. We have to stick the battery close to it, otherwise the robot would walk away from its power source. So we've got these sticky tabs that we put on the back side of the case, and that's where you stick the battery, right there. And then we got to connect the wires from the battery to the gears, which we did.
What, by using brads.
That's right.
Then we use some other plastic nails so they can walk.
Right,
Two little plastic like tubes.
Orange tubes, yeah, to help make his feet. And we're connecting on these different rods, some gears, and some parts of robot parts. They look kind of robot parts. Actually cardboard, but it looks kind of robot-y. You got his walking leg and arm there, connected by brads. And here we are getting the final assemblies, I think. The last leg, the last arm, the last gear. Putting on the final touches here. And then I think we've got all of them. Yep, okay. Everything is there. Battery pack is attached. And here's Mr. Robot. Dun dun dun!
How do you turn it off?
It is, in fact, a walking robot.
Sideways. Good robot.
Walking on the invisible glass table. A little bit shaky on the balance, but it still works. Still works. Right now, if we had changed the wires on the battery, we could make him walk backwards, but we didn't do that. If we swapped the wires, it would walk backwards instead of forward. There he is taking a tour of our backyard.
I really like this project because how it moves, and I just think it's really cool on how they move it, and I want to learn more on how they like make gears move. But I don't like it mainly just because it wobbles a lot.
Got it. What'd you think, Ryan?
I didn't like it too much because it wobbled a lot.
It did fall over a lot. It was a little less stable, so we could have worked a little bit on that maybe to see it.
Yeah.
But it is somewhat flimsy, a little bit flimsy, this one. Very cool to put together, learn how the gears work, show how to get it all lined up so that it did walk. That was really cool. But once it was done, we walked it around, it fell over a few times, and we're pretty much done, right? So it's kind of like half thumbs up around the board. Cool project, fun to make, sort of a half thumbs up for duration of excitement afterwards.
So thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye. If this was the first video you've seen of ours, please do consider subscribing and be sure to leave a thumbs up. If you want to see some more TinkerCrate reviews, leave a comment down below. Which is your favorite one that you've made?